Hello everyone, this is Jay Richards. I'm the General Manager at Kinsel Toyota, and I just wanted to give everyone a brief message from Kinsel Toyota and let you know we are open. You're free to come in the store, but we're also open online. We also can handle pretty much any need that you may have on the telephone, online, however you'd like to do things. Basically, we can get it done that way. The main thing is we want to keep everybody safe during this time. Safety comes first, health comes first, and we want to make sure that we're doing our part to help Southeast Texas get through this extremely difficult time for all of us. A few things I want to go over. Obviously, the different ways to do business with us, in person, on the phone, on the website at kinseltoyota.com. We are working on a digital retailing piece that will be on our website shortly, where you'll be able to complete an entire vehicle transaction online. We'll deliver the car to you. Any car that you'd like to buy, we deliver to you. And while we're talking about delivering vehicles to you, if you need express service, if you need oil change or anything like that, we'll come get your car and we'll deliver it to you after we're done. So that's available. We're just trying to pull out all the stops to do everything we can to help right now. We've been scrubbing this entire place constantly. We've set up hand sanitation stations around the store. We have gloves available for you when you come in. If you'd like to wear gloves, which we do suggest you do when we're getting into cars. We have been scrubbing door handles, keyboards, furniture, anything that you would touch. We've been pretty much scrubbing it to death, doing everything we can to keep a sterile environment. And as you can see behind me, we've got a very large showroom. We have a very large waiting area. It is really nice, lounge area. So there's plenty of space for social distancing. We encourage you to come in if you'd like to. However, we are set up to do business in person, on the phone, on the website at kinseltoyota.com. So, gloves, clean environment. We'll pick up your car and deliver it to you for service. We'll deliver the car you purchase. We'll pick up your trade. Health and safety are first. Okay, so let's all follow the guidelines that the government's been giving us, and let's try to get through this. And if we can do this, hopefully this won't last that long and everything will be back to normal. Kinsel Toyota has been serving Southeast Texas for 33 years. We've been serving Southeast Texas and growing all 33 of those years. We're going to continue to serve Southeast Texas, and we're going to continue to grow. Once this is over, we'll focus on growing again. Right now, we just want to help everyone as much as possible. And I just want to remind everyone that Kinsel Toyota and its people, we're all going to be just fine. Southeast Texas is going to be just fine. I've lived in Southeast Texas my whole life, and Southeast Texas has the most resilient, tough, community-oriented people anywhere in this country, and we'll get through it just fine together. Thank you from Kinsel Toyota, and give us a call, 892-4888 or kinseltoyota.com. Thanks.